it, I'll get.
These two idiots.
Okay, guys, I'm collabing with Choco Frog VR. Yay!
And me. And
And Harrison.
SNVR
He's a
and
sick friend like
Harrison?
JJ. He's a
yeah, I was thinking you might say that.
oh, ow, bro, my headset is so laggy.
If my tracking will work. How much do I have? Alright, let's take.
I got 3,000 crystals. What do I do with these?
Oh, this looks sick. This looks fire. This looks fire. That looks Stevie.
Guys, can you tell me where the cosmetics are? Where are the cosmetics? Guys, where do you buy cosmetics?
Bro, this t-shirt looks fire. VIP room. That VIP is fixed. Gives you 4 cool hats to play with.
Yo, I got the summer drip.
What?
Bye.
Oh no! Bye. I still have enough to get it. Yo, I got my pipe.
Hey, yo, bro, that pipe is big.
Hey, yo. I mean, I think. Oh, you can. It's not small. It's not small.
Yo, bro, me
Oh man, I need to be super careful with this hot, boiling cauldron of oil. I hope I don't trip and fall. What?
Doom!
Yeah.
Are you guys ready?
Yes!
Let's go, let's
Think
go.
better than ever.
First one. 3, go.
Oh, what the frick? Yo, Foxy, my boy.
Oh my god, it's Foxy. Whoa!
Stupid. Oh, yo.
What is that, Foxy? That's withered Foxy.
Get away from me, stupid.
This is actually cool. Oh, wait. Guys, where is Freddy?
Get you, he's so bad.
Guys, Foxy's fast. Foxy fast as fuck. Oh, I'm fast as fuck, boy. I'm fast as fuck, boy.
JJ left the level.
What? Sky Island. Let's play
Wait,
Sky Island.
they brought back Death Town.
Yeah, I just realized that.
Okay, we left.
Guys, why did you leave? Sky Island. Sky Island.
No, not Sky Island.
No, don't do that. That's creepy as like fuck. After I do this, we're gonna play Sky Island. No, that's creepy, bro. Ooh, that's better.
Bro, I might have to cut some of the video because I make like.
Guys, wait for me. I'm gonna